Hi everybody, this is my new tools box. You may remember from my art bag or art pouch video that I did of what's inside my art pouch, as in that bag there, which is my long old makeup bag thing that's now my art pouch. You can see a video of that on my channel. It had originally this small box in there, it's upside down, which I've made myself. It's a bit flimsy, this is why I've had to make another one, and it's turned out a bit bigger because, well, that's just how it was really. I'm a bit slapdash, I don't really do measuring, but I've got a Crafter's Companion box making board which is all about scoring with a scoring tool, and it has one side says box lid and the other side will say box base, and they've done the maths for you. But I'm quite thankful this turned out because I have 225 GSM weight paper but for drawing, and so I made 4 sheets of paper basically, 2 for the lid and 2 for the base, you see underneath there, and it is quite much more solid. It's drying at the minute because obviously I had to glue the sheets together once I had scored them all and cut bits off the corners to make the box kind of shape. And so now I'm just colouring it to make it a bit better. And because it's drying, I don't know whether, while it was still damp, I had to put the lid on and make it fit and jam it a little to make it fit properly, because otherwise, if you try and do it when it's dried, it's a little bit more difficult. So what we'll do, I'll just raise the camera up slightly so that you can all see what I'm doing. Just my Ohuhu pens. I've put you on top of my bag there, the Ohuhu markers. And then we should be able to take the little... It's very hot here, we're in a heat wave again, so I can't put my light on at the moment for you to all see, but I'm just going to lever the lid a bit, and then we can take it off. Yep, you can see it's quite a deep box. You can see there we go, quite a deep box. So I've got, due to that, I can fit all the things that you saw from my art bag video, and there's space for a little bit more should I need to put it in. And even my water brush now will fit in, whereas it didn't very easily before. It was a bit too long. And so yeah, it just helps me be a little bit more tidy. Whether it's going to fit in my art pouch, I don't actually know, because I haven't actually tried it. With it being a little bit bigger and fatter, that's going to be the test. So just dropped everything on the floor, but that doesn't matter, we'll get that in a minute. And then just the test really is to get the lid back on and for me to fit it into the pouch, my art bag. So the lid goes on much easier now that it's drying. And we'll bring in the art bag. We can see that on camera? No, we can't. I have to tip it down a little. You might be able to just about see. It's a little dark. Yeah, you can see inside there. So we're going to bring this in and see. Yep, it fits. We bring this up a little. Yep, can just see here. Perfect. I just have to do the closing of it, which you'll hear, even though you can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, and it closes. So that is very pleasing. And that was from using the 200, and just going to get the paper in a minute. You see, not the actual paper. Well, yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's 224 GSM. Don't know if you can see that here. And we just get this from the supermarket. Just regular white drawing paper, but it's 224 GSM. It's a very good paperweight for doing ink, charcoal, all those kind of things that need a little bit more tooth. You can do light watercolours and gouache as well. So that is what the box is made from. It is 4 sheets of that. And it was 100% recycled paper. So I feel I'm helping the planet by doing that. So yeah, I'm going to have a go at colouring the box now, and we're going to go into a time lapse. This is how it's looking so far. I'm quite pleased with how the Ohuhu markers have taken to the paper, and it's standing out quite nicely, looking quite good. I don't stick to colour themes, you know, like colour wheels, opposite colours, what colours are nice with each other. I just grab the colours from the bag that appeal to me. Whether they go together, I don't care. It's, you know, it's my art. I'm not going to be sticking to, inverted commas, the rules of art, you know, where they say, you know, primary colours, okay, I deal with that. But I'm not going to be dealing with opposite colours, the secondary colours, territory colours, all of that, because, you know, I'm just not into that. So yes, we're going to carry on colouring the sides. And this is what it looks like when completed. And I've deliberately not fully coloured in the pink because I like the distressed look. And at the sides, that green Ohuhu was running out. It doesn't last long, some of the pens, I've noticed. And I didn't do underneath. But yes, I'm pretty pleased that this is a much more solid box, and it didn't take much to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.